Hello friends, in this video I will guide you through how to fix Game Bar not recording in Windows 11. First, find the Start menu, right-click on it, and click on Settings. Wait for it to load and then go to Gaming. Click on Game Bar and make sure it is enabled. Next, go to Apps. Find Installed Apps and click on it. Scroll down to System Components. Click on it and click on the three dots. Then click on Advanced Options and click on Repair. Wait for the process to finish and close this window. Now, press Windows plus G on your keyboard to open the Game Bar. Go to the gear icon, click on it, and then click on More Settings. Make sure Record in the background while playing a game is enabled. Select Game or All for audio to record and press the right toggle. The shortcut to start and stop recording is Windows plus Alt plus R. And that's it. You should now be able to record using the Game Bar. Thank you for watching Quick Tweak.